Mr. Stacky 1305 HG 5-tier stackable strawberry, herb, flower, and vegetable planter vertical gardening indoor-outdoor stacking garden pots. List price $59.99. Price $37.75. You save 22.2437%. About this item. Stackable indoor-outdoor space-saving planter prevents any overwatering. Made in the USA, protects against fading and cracking in the sun. For growing strawberries, herbs, and flowers using a small amount of space. 5. Stacking planters with 4 planting locations per planter plus 1 drip tray 20 plant garden in 1 location W 12-inch L 12H 28 soil volume 24 quarts perfect gardener gifts 2. Simple, plant. Stack. Enjoy smart, just water top planter to self-water tiers below. Product description. The stackable planter is great for growing strawberries, herbs, succulents, flowers, and more in a small amount of space. The planter design has water reservoirs on each layer. Once the reservoirs are filled, the water spills over to the next layer, eventually making it to the bottom tray. With this planter you will not need to worry about overwatering your plants. Truly gardening made easy. Can also be used for hydroponics, just ask us how, smiley face. The contents include 5 stackers, 20 planting locations, and 1 bottom drip tray.